This is a journey. It's not a one-time, big-time thing. You have to go through many stages, and in every stage, you have to learn something new. Mapapansin mo habang nag-grow din yung business. At lumalaki din yung kita mo. Without that growth, hindi lalaki yung kita mo. It only depends on how much you grow in understanding your business. That's why, don't treat business as a one-time, big-time thing. You have to learn every stage of the journey. For example, when you start a business, you are in the startup stage. You have to learn the business model. How does the business make money? What are the components of the business model? Paano mo ba mapapatakbo yung business at kikita siya? During that stage, na-imagine mo na po paano mo organize pag pinalaki mo yung business mo. Anong sistema, anong processes dapat meron yon para na ma-manage mo properly at nagiging efficient siya. Yung mga tao mo hindi nalilito because the systems are in place. Pag in-expand mo yung business mo, kaya ng organization, kaya din ng sistema mo. So business is a journey. In every stage of the journey, you have to learn. That's why we created Kapayaman VIP. Para na sa ganun patuloy ang pag-aaral natin. Meron tayong webinars, meron tayong meetups, meron din tayong library of resources that teaches you on the different stages of the journey. Nasa startup ka lang, nasa growth stage ka, may kinakailangan ka matutunan, nandun sa library. Kaya join us in Kapayaman VIP. Subscribe to us.